Video today we're going to be doing the oatmeal challenge. I don't really know how to do it because we're the first people to do this on video, but it's basically just eating a whole raw thing of oatmeal. So
yeah, we're just going to have to like try to eat the whole thing without spitting it out, but I don't know.
Yeah, so let's get started. We're going to both open it.
Yeah. Is this the apple flavor too?
Yeah. It's apple cinnamon. So let's get started.
All right.
So I don't know.
Okay.
So here's the inside. You can see the oatmeal.
Yeah, it's like kind of like flakes or something.
Yeah. See, here it is if you can't see it.
It's like flaky.
Alright. So we're going to dump it in our mouths. We have to eat the whole package. 3, 2, 1. Mmm. It's stuck in my teeth. Oh, good. It's really dry. It's so dry.
It's sour too.
I got a little bit left. I feel like I'm a monster.
Ugh. It's like sour.
Mine isn't.
It's like sweet. I still have a little bit more.
Yeah, so do I.
This stuff is really hard to swallow too.
I know.
It's like dry. And it like turns to putty when it's like,
yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, it's sour.
Yeah.
It's stuck in my throat. It dries me up. Oh my god.
Yeah, this isn't good.
I got a little bit left.
Yeah. It's like...
The thing is, it takes forever to swallow. And it's really dry. And it's pretty sour.
Yeah.
Alright, here's my last bit of it.
Yeah, this is my last bit. I'm just gonna put it down. Alright, this is my last bit.
This is my last one. You okay?
Ah!
Guys, this doesn't look bad, but it might depend on the oatmeal. This, when you swallow it, it feels like people are scratching your throat.
That's,
God.
This is so nasty when you take like a big chunk of it, like of the package.
Did you eat it all? Show him. Alright, I ate mine all. I completed the challenge. He has a little bit left.
Alright, I'm going to try to...
Alright, he's going to try to eat the whole thing without throwing it up. That was really dry. It's really itchy and dry. I really don't want to do this challenge again. Ugh. I really need a drink after this video. Are you okay? You look like you're suffocating.
That isn't good.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, comment below what videos you want us to do. It can be anything. But we're trying to do stuff that nobody's ever done before, like this video. And what do you have to say?
Well, that challenge was a complete fail because we didn't get to like eat it all. But probably in the future we'll probably do it another time. Even though it was really bad that we don't really want to do it again.
We actually threw up because my throat was really dry.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll see you next week. Alright.